Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some partly to mostly cloudy skies across the region. Going to see mostly cloudy skies for later this morning into the afternoon hours and possibly overcast at times as we have some abundant upper level and mid-level cloudiness moving through the region. We'll see a slight chance of a pop-up shower this afternoon, a very slight chance of a thunderstorm. Most likely won't see either of those in the area today, but can't rule it out as we have some weak forcing as well as some humid conditions across the region. As far as our highs goes today, we'll see highs in the upper 70s across the region, possibly even low 80s inland. So one more warm day across the region before we see some fall-like weather start to move in the area for Saturday into Sunday. So taking a look at our current sounding from this morning, freezing level at 12,500 feet. Winds out of the southeast to south throughout the low levels and the mid levels, and increasing from about 10 knots to 15 knots, and seeing a peak wind out of the southwest only at 29 knots at 25,000 feet this morning. In our current surface analysis, we have a cold front off to our west, a prefrontal trough just off to our west, a tropical storm Philippe off to our south and to our east. That's going to be moving through Bermuda today and then towards New England on Sunday. We'll see this prefrontal trough move through the day, through our area today, giving us a slight chance of shower. And this cold front move through for tomorrow, giving us a chance of a shower and a very slight chance of a thunderstorm. Taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the region, you can see we do have some cloud coverage across the area, really building in from the west with that upper level and mid-level cloudiness. And take a look at the radar imagery this morning. You can see we did have some showers just off to our north and west this morning, north and east this morning, but those have continued to dissipate. Could see some showers pop up on the central Delmarva for this afternoon. And taking a look at the HERM model for today, you can see just some cloud cover moving in and seeing that shower pop up around 3 o'clock, 2 to 3 o'clock across Wicomico County and just south of that as well for the late afternoon hours. So we could see a shower in our region, only about a 20% chance of that occurring today. As far as the overnight goes, we'll see some low clouds build in the region, as well as that cold front moving through the region for late morning into the afternoon hours, giving us a chance of some showers in the region and a very slight chance of a thunderstorm. And for our extended time period, look at the European model here, Tropical Storm Philippe becoming extratropical and moving towards New England on Saturday night and Sunday. That cold front moving through our region for Saturday, late morning, the afternoon hours, giving us a chance of showers. And for Sunday, we'll see this pressure gradient tighten as the upper level low across Quebec starts to intensify. And that'll give us some breezy conditions as well as some cool weather temperatures only in the lower 60s for highs. And for Monday, we'll see additional upper level disturbance start to pivot around this large upper level low over the Great Lakes and southeastern Canada. And that's going to give us some variable cloudiness throughout the week for next week, with a slight chances of shower on Monday night and Tuesday. And we'll see temperatures start to moderate once we move into the middle to late next week, with high pressure in general in control between these weak upper level disturbances moving through the region. So we'll see anywhere from partly to mostly cloudy skies for next week. And then for Thursday of next week, looks like we'll have a boundary set up north of the region, high pressure off the coast. So that's going to allow us to see a warm up once again for Thursday and Friday of next week. So looking at our risk chart for today, slight chance of a shower around 20% for today into the late afternoon hours. And once again, about a 20% chance of a shower early Saturday morning. High today of 78, low night of 64. Light winds in general today out of the northeast becoming southeasterly, or east-southeasterly, I should say, at 4 to 9 knots for this afternoon, and the variable less than 5 knots overnight. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, we'll see that slight chance of a shower today, 10% chance of a thunderstorm afternoon. We'll see VFR conditions in general unless we have that shower or thunderstorm overhead, and we're only looking at about a 20% chance of a shower, 10% chance of a thunderstorm, so very slight chances of those occurring, and most likely won't see it. Once we move in the overnight hours, chances of some fog, reduced visibilities, lower ceilings, but overall, by tomorrow morning, unless we have that fog in the area, just going to see partly cloudy conditions. Our tides are slightly above normal currently. Looking at Saturday and Sunday, Saturday mostly cloudy to overcast, with chance of rain showers through early afternoon, very slight chance of a thunderstorm, breezy and cooler, and mostly cloudy late, high of 71 degrees. For Saturday night, we'll see partly cloudy and breezy conditions early, becoming mostly clear and cooler, a low of 50. And for Sunday, mostly sunny, partly cloudy and slightly breezy, cooler, a high of 63 degrees. Our precipitation chances here, around 50%. For Saturday, we'll see our Winds gusting around 23, 24 knots on Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening, highlighting these two time frames here, as well as seeing a chance of some fog early on Saturday morning. So looking at the next 7 days, we'll see that 20% chance today, 40-50% chance of a shower on Saturday, high today of 78, 71 on Saturday, then seeing those cooler conditions for Sunday and Monday, highs only in the 60s, and we'll see a return to near seasonable averages or slightly above for Tuesday, Wednesday, and the Thursday. Partly mostly cloudy from Sunday through Tuesday, and then partly cloudy conditions on Wednesday, returning to mostly cloudy on Thursday, high of 76 on Thursday, and we'll see a slight chance of a shower Monday night to Tuesday with an upper level disturbance moving through the region. See some cooler overnight lows for Saturday night and as well as Sunday night, seeing temperatures around the lower 50s to the upper 40s, so much cooler than we've been seeing recently, and a taste of fall for Sunday into Monday. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. We'll be back on Tuesday morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.